blacked it out, and I'll have all that Reflectex in there. And that's my 2 window ports coming into the AC. And so then that's the driver's side. Okay, right now it reads 90 degrees in the van, and I got it set for 60. We'll come back and see. So we went ahead, put up the Reflectex. So the only place you can see in is over there at the tubes. And it is 77 degrees in here, and it was 90 when it first started. So now that we're at this temperature, we can put it on night mode. And then that way it'll run for 8 hours on night mode. Just recalibrating. For now I did the hoses like that, and I'll put a screen on the end so bugs won't go in.